Hi guys, welcome to Chapter 2 Matter, Section 2-3, Properties of Matter. Matter has chemical properties and physical properties. You'll need to know the difference between these two. Chemical properties describe any type of changes that occur when two substances react with each other. For example, iron reacts with water to form rust. It oxidizes. Oxidization is a chemical property. Physical properties are properties you can observe without changing the substance into something new. The science of chemistry looks at chemical properties, but earth science mainly focuses on physical properties. So what are some of these physical properties we're going to be studying? Density is a major one. Density is the mass of an object measured in grams divided by the volume of an object measured in cubic centimeters. So density is measured in grams per cubic centimeters. Some other physical properties of matter are color, taste, melting point, boiling point, and two that you'll study in more detail in Chapter 3, luster and hardness. Now let's return to the four states of matter that we learned about back in Section 2-1: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. The four states of matter can be arranged in order from the lowest amount of energy to its highest amount of energy between its particles. Sounds a little complicated, but a solid has particles that are in fixed positions, like ice, so they have very low amounts of energy. Liquid particles have a little bit more energy and move around freely, but they also have an attraction to each other, and so liquids take the shape of its container. A perfect example of this is water. Gas particles definitely have a lot of energy. There's no attraction between them, so they move freely and independently, and particles spread to fill a container. Think about steam as a perfect example. Last but not least, plasma has the highest energy, and while it's the most common state of matter in the universe, and formed when high temperatures make electrons jump outside the electron cloud, we won't really be looking at it in earth science. The last final topic we're going to cover in this section is how matter changes its state. How solids become liquids, liquids become solids, liquids become gases, gases become liquids, or how solids can transfer to a gas and gas can become a solid. Changes in state typically occur when the temperature changes. You're familiar with this because we deal with boiling points and freezing points. Changes in state can also occur when pressure is increased or decreased, but it's a little harder to see and describe. A final key important topic is that when matter changes state, its chemical properties don't change. So whether water is a solid, liquid, or gas, it will still oxidize iron. The physical properties of water might change, however, when it changes state, because as we all know, the density of water changes when it goes from a liquid to a solid. Ice floats. And this concludes Chapter 2.